Cheese.
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 You say Atticus.
Atticus.
You say Finnegan.
Ticket.
Finnegan. You say brother.
Cheese.
Cheese. Can you say brother?
Butter.
Can you say mommy?
Cheese.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Daddy.
Dad.
Cat.
Cat.
Diaper.
Teacher.
You say Christmas.
Cookies.
Can you say turkey?
Turkey.
Ham.
Ham.
Shoes.
Juice.
Socks.
Ducks.
Pants.
Shirt.
Shirt. Good job. What else can you say?
Eggs.
I don't know what that word is.
Cheese.
Oh, it was Atticus. Cheese. Yes. Good baby. You say baby.
Cheese.
Can you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say nene?
No.
Good boy. Say bye-bye.